Want to see only the information that matters on your map? With MAPOG filters, you can instantly narrow down your data to exactly what you need. First, navigate to story.mapog.com. Click Create New Map and give your project a title and add a short description, then click Save. Next, go to Process Custom Location and select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Now, open Select Custom Location Template Settings and create a custom template, for example, Healthcare Facilities. Add the required attributes such as location, facility type, ownership, and more. Select the template from the drop-down. Then, upload your desired file that contains your location data. Now, match the columns from your Excel sheet with the correct attributes. Select the appropriate field type such as latitude and longitude and click Submit. Your points will now appear on the map. Go to Edit Point Details. To edit your points, upload a relevant image, fill in any additional attributes you need, and click Save. Open the Filters panel and choose the attributes you want to narrow down, like facility type, ownership, or any custom fields from your dataset. Click Apply, and the map instantly shows only the points that match your criteria. Finally, share your map. You can make your map public for wider access, or simply copy the share link to send to others. Filters make location data clearer, from tracking business performance to finding key healthcare facilities, planning city zones, and optimizing delivery routes. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.